So you're ready to buy a house. First step is to select a lender. A lot of people will make the mistake of putting this off until later in the process. The last thing you want to do is find the house of your dreams and then not be able to purchase it because you're not qualified. And so number one, gotta find a lender. The way to do that is to look through a trusted source. If you've got a friend who's had a great experience, that's a good place to look. I'm also happy to send you my wonderful lenders that I use on a normal basis that are very professional and honest with you. Also, it's very important to be aware of what you find online. Sometimes you'll find lenders that will advertise a certain rate online and then it doesn't come through. You'll have a rate that's much higher later on and added cost. Next, you want a lender that's in-state and in-house preferably. What I mean by that is someone that knows all of the Colorado guidelines for real estate transactions in the state of Colorado. A lot of times if you select a lender from California or another state, they're not aware of everything that pertains to here. Another thing is you want them to be in-house, meaning that the processor and the underwriter are all working in the same building or very close to it as the actual loan officer that you work with. And the challenge that sometimes happens is if you've got a loan officer that's in Boston and a processor that's in Minnesota and it's all spread out and your closing's threatening to be delayed and you've got moving trucks already, the last thing you want to do is depend on someone that's that far away that you don't have control over. With the way that the government has regulated interest rates, there really can't be too much of a variation on interest rates from lender to lender. So it's something to be aware of, but not the ultimate focus. Your ultimate focus when shopping for a lender should be the closing costs, because those can vary. Be aware of the origination fees and all of the other costs that pertain to the loan, and make sure that you compare those with other lenders. You want to find a lender who's a great communicator. Buying a home can be stressful, and so you want to find someone who's going to be with you every step of the way and that can let you know what's going on in every step of the process. Also, you want to find someone who has great transactional experience, meaning they've helped several people through this process and they've learned something every time they've done that. Not to be confused with someone who's just been in the business for a long time. So now you're ready for the next step. Stay tuned for more videos on the buying process.